Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create amazing YouTube thumbnails using Remaker AI. This is super cool, super simple. So how do we do it? Once you're inside Remaker AI, you want to go ahead and go to the image AI section here on the left hand side and click on AI image generator. Now, in this section, guys, you can either use text to image, which is you need to enter your prompt here, or you can go ahead and click an image to image, and here you can basically upload an image of a thumbnail that you see that you like and you want to recreate, and then you can add the prompt there to actually tweak it to make it unique and make it something different but with similar theme. Let's call it like that. In this case, what we're going to do, we're going to do text to image. I'm going to quickly enter a prompt here. No, I want to say I'm not going to show you how to basically come up with a prompt, but I'm going to quickly explain this. You can either write what you want the AI prompt to be of that YouTube thumbnail, or you can use ChatGPT and say, please create a prompt for this title. I want to create a YouTube thumbnail in Remaker AI. Or you can just simply say, create a YouTube thumbnail for this title. Please give me the prompt, or please give me the prompt for this YouTube thumbnail. It is super simple, guys. It is super simple. It is one of the most common thing people use AI to do to generate video ideas or YouTube thumbnail prompts or image prompts. It is super simple, super straightforward. So once you get that, you put it here and you can choose whichever model you want, right? So there are three different models. You can play with them. I'm going to choose, for example, this Flux Pro here, and you want to choose your dimension or aspect ratio here to 16 by 19. This is important. Once you click on that, just simply choose how much image you want. I'm going to do 2 for now and simply hit generate. And that's going to quickly generate the AI thumbnails for you, and you will see they look simple, fascinating, simple, amazing. So have a look at these two, for example. Pretty cool, right? And I'm telling you guys, this is what Remaker AI can do. It can create amazing thumbnails. So go ahead and check out them, right? Let's try, for example, this realism one here. I'm going to test that as well real quick so that you can see what AI thumbnails look like when we choose this model. And so you have three different models that you can actually choose from. So I recommend that you test them out, get your YouTube prompts, or you can make up the prompts if you want something more detailed and if you know exactly what you want, and allow the AI to do its thing to create it for you. It is super easy, guys, and I think that it can create really amazing thumbnails, right? So if you want, guys, to use Remaker AI, it is very easy. It's very straightforward. When you create your account, you actually get 30 credits that you can actually test out. Let's have a look at these two thumbnails real quick. I love them. They're really nice. Yeah, once you create your account, you get 30 credits that you can basically use for free. And as you can see, if you want one YouTube thumbnail, it's about 8 credits to generate, so you can basically use them and create a few thumbnails. Or if you want to upgrade, guys, your account, you can go ahead and click pricing and purchase credits. So there's no monthly subscription. You just purchase credits and you can test it out, and you can try it out for at least $5, $6, and get 200 credits and see if you like it. The cool thing is that they have a ton of different AI tools that you can use. So if you purchase credits, you can use the credits to basically use all the AI tools. They have a few free tools that you can use as well. So check out those free tools as well. You can find it on the homepage here. You're able to click on free tools here and you can actually see the free tools that you can use. But they have a lot of different categories, a lot of different tools that you can basically do. And once you generate your thumbnail, if you find something you like, just simply click download. You download that on your PC, you have it on your computer ready, and that's all there is to it, guys. Go ahead. And guys, I want to say, if you want to purchase credits, check out the description of this video. You'll find my affiliate link. Also check the pinned comments. You can find it there as well. I really appreciate if you show some support by using that. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you love this one, guys. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.